Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus in One UI 8.5. First of all, let's lock the screen of our Samsung. Then hold your finger down on the lock screen and enter the password if prompted. After that, you'll be able to access all customization features, almost all customization features of your smartphone. For example, if you tap on the clock, you'll be able to customize your clock, selecting the font, the color, and the style in the respective tabs. We can also show the weather information here and the date above by switching these toggles to the right. Besides, we can also customize the way we want to display date and time on our phone. And we can also tap add widgets below the clock to add some basically any widgets, so the widgets from any application on our smartphone, any system one at least, or any supported. And we can also change the wallpaper by tapping in the top left corner and selecting either one of the featured wallpapers, AI wallpapers, graphical wallpapers, videos too. And we can change the side buttons by tapping on one of them and selecting the shortcut that we want to use for this button. And we can also change the variations of the wallpaper if your wallpaper supports this feature. Right here by tapping below, we'll be able to change the variation, or rather the color of the current wallpaper, and then tap down to apply these changes. And now one additional thing that we can enable on our lock screen is always on display feature. And to add it to your lock screen, you're gonna have to go to settings and then scroll down to lock screen and AOD, and here find always on display and switch this toggle on, and then you can also customize it in this menu. And besides, the now bar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.